keeping your Roblox account secure is important, and changing your password regularly is one of the best ways to protect it. Whether you forgot your current password or you just want to update it for safety, Roblox makes the process quick and easy. In this guide, you'll learn step by step on how you can change your Roblox password on any device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. After that, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen, and from the drop-down menu that appears, tap on Settings. From the Settings menu, you need to go to the Security option that you will find between Account Info and Privacy and Content Restrictions. Here, you will see all the devices that you're logged in. If you scroll all the way down, you can also go ahead and tap on this Log Out of All Other Sessions to log out from any other devices where you've logged in the past. Now, if you want to change your password, go to Account Info. Then you'll see the section of password under the login methods. Go ahead and tap on this edit icon over here. Enter the current password in the first field, followed by the new password that you want to keep in the second field. Confirm the same password in the third field, and then tap on Update, and you'll be done. Roblox may ask you to verify if you have two-step verification on your computer or your Roblox account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.